Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on the Hypermine modded server. Done so. Oh god, no, stop doing that. Okay, that wasn't meant to happen. Right, I'll fix that later. Basically I removed this because I'll need to get all the power out of it so I can try something in a minute. Because last time we tested it and it didn't work with the what they called the universal cables, and that's just, I don't know if it's a bug or it's intended, but it just doesn't work. But if I remember correctly, there's something else. I can't remember what it's called. I know it's redstone conductive or redstone conduit or something along those lines that I've seen be made. So I think it's just free iron surrounded by, maybe it's the way around. No, okay, so it needs to use a steel, I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, so let's have a quick flick through, see if I can find it. It's a type of cable that uses redstone, and I'm pretty sure it was steel. Nope, seems I'm not. Oh, that might be it. So got pressurized tube, universal cables, obviously what I'm trying to use. Mechanical pipe, that would be for water. What's that one? Logistics transposer. Got crazy stuff going on. Okay, I can't find it, so we're not going to worry about that for now. I'll have a quick look later. If I tried looking through the redstone recipes, I'll be there forever. But I've been very busy with generic building, as you can see. The factory floor is very much expanded. So this is the main structure, this part here. This is going to be the main thing. It's going to have at least one more floor, maybe two. Because, say on this level, here you can see it's the top layer. But, obviously there's some areas where... Did a fire happen there? That's weird, I didn't touch that. Or that. It was either a fire or someone's been through here getting leaves. Weird. But you can see a place like here, it's floating, so I could always put in another floor underground, as it were, but overground as well, which is kind of weird. So yeah, I've been working on this. Main issue I had was this floor. You can see I'm still not done, so I've got to finish going out this way. And I've basically worked out how I want to plot this factory out, mostly. So obviously we've got the power generating room there, and that would be an ore sorting room of some sort eventually, because it's already got the basics of it in there. So what I need to do is make a storage room, which I'm probably going to do right smack in the middle here. And it's going to be like walled off. We're going to have separate rooms. We're not going to have it all open or anything like that. So it's going to be walled off around here somewhere as a separate room. So got that to work on when I get the roof done. But that's just a lot of cobblestone. And I could use I think it's a filler. Let's see how hard that is to make. Because I obviously don't have infinite power. It's quite easy to make, but it's just getting all the power to it. So this is what I set up offline last time. This is basic sort of harvesting gathering system. So we got my force engine down there, which I'd been experimenting with last time, into the basic energy cube, which is powering that, which goes into both a planter with loads of force saplings and also a chest. No, and into a harvester, which is very nice. And all that does is send saplings down and anything else into this chest. So I've got loads of force logs there, you can see once it's grown, being harvested. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then the planter plants another one back, saplings go down, things go in. Perfect timing. I also noticed you get these force nuggets from these trees, which I did not realise, and they're awesome. So it means I basically get free ingots from this. So this is not only going to be a power source, but it's also going to be a way of me getting tools and equipment for things. I think there's a bug with the NEI. So you can see we can craft with the nuggets. I can't right click to sort of use of them, but I can, for example, if I go to that, I can do it for the ingots. So just with the nuggets I can't do it for some reason. So is a bit weird, but obviously it does make the things. I tested it. There you go, another tree. So what we need to do now is obviously set up the squeezing process to power this. So what we need to do is take out these. So where's my wrench? Boop. Grab that, and just need to hop up here. So I need to figure out where exactly to do this, because I was debating about moving this back here or somewhere around this area in general. Actually, probably better back here, because we do have this underfloor that we could work in, and that way we could have the but we want that, don't we? I'm just thinking, because we do want that to be the power room, so I do need it somewhere close. What if I move this? I'm going to move all this basically. So I'm going to pack this all up and shift it over there, I think, because I need it to be near the energy transfer room. And the reason for that is I do want there to be pipes to actually see going everywhere. So I'll have one pipe like going down here. Actually, no, one pipe will go into wherever the storage room is. The other pipe will go through that cool thing there and deposit in there. So I'll give that a move and be back in a moment. Damn it. Okay, right. So I've done a quick little setup. So you can see I've moved this over here. Pipe now goes wee up through this bit up here. Quickly made an engine for that. So I need to move this entire thing forward one block really. But I want to do a quick test. So we've got forcing here, which is going to power this energy cube until I can work things out. This I need to turn on with a lever. Easy as pie. There we go. So now that will start pumping. Now obviously there's an issue here. There's no power going to this, so yeah, I'm being an idiot. I need to move this all forward one. Right, so we're going to do that real quick. Nice and simple. So all I'm going to do is put the engine deck there. I'll leave that there for now. Cube can come to here, and the squeezer can go back here. Now obviously there's a problem with this design at the moment, is that the ingots will also come up here because I haven't filtered that out yet, but I'm not too fussed about that happening just yet because it's not running. The machine isn't running, so there's no worry for there to be any saplings coming up at the moment. So there we go, that's all plugged in. I need to move this lever as well to here. So just put them both on this wall to make them look symmetrical, and then quickly wrench you so you're now working. Right, now from there I can grab my energy. I need to change this as well. We're just going to run this to the back of that. So now that'll draw energy into the squeezer, if I can just place that there. So now this should have energy. Now, like I said, that doesn't have energy anymore, so I'm going to have to sort of manually test this. So here's the test to actually see if we get enough power for it to work. So we're going to throw in all the logs, and hopefully they'll be getting power. But it doesn't look like they are. Let me try grabbing this and just throwing it down right next to this, because that's still not getting power. Why is that not getting power? Max power, trigger 50 MJ. So you should definitely be producing MJ. Why are you not? Why do you have to go all the way over there? Go to the one place I couldn't get it. Yeah, this is weird. Why are you not accepting power? Because you're connected. Right. This is odd. So, what other wiring solutions do I have beside these energy ones? Let me try hooking this straight up to it. It's a long shot. So I need to go grab some force shards, just to give it a little kick up the backside, really. So let's grab a force shard. There we go. Because it's definitely connected, and it will definitely generate MJ. So I don't know why it wouldn't transfer the MJ. Okay, go. So you've got liquid force. Oh, you don't have a lever, that's why you're not working. Go. Okay, you're definitely, yeah, that's definitely going now. So that's squeezing out that, which is good. So yeah, 250, that's the number I've got to remember. And if it makes more liquid than 250, we're in the clear. So this is actually probably a better test than before anyway. But I do need to work out why this cable isn't powering the squeezer. I may need to work with forestry. Whatever. What's the power thing in forestry again? For any sort of cabling. Since there's obviously going to be some sort of stuff that I can use. Doesn't look like it though, does it? Okay, so that looks like it's yeah. There we go. We've automatically got more than 250, so it's going to generate more, and that's without a catalyst or boost or whatever it is. So that's good. That's good. Now it's just a matter of working out how to obviously get this all powered together. I'll let that run out, and then I can work on there. So let's see if I just connect that up. Is that gonna keep it powered? I don't think it will. I don't know why though. It's like it's not taking power out, and I don't know why. Let's go grab this and grab our wires and go just install it down at the install it back down there. Maybe the energy needs to go on the side or something weird like that. So let's just reconnect this real quick. So I can just take that out, and I have to do a bit of a workaround with this. So if I grab this pipe, we just go around to the side, because pipe's cheaper than these energy cables. So that should be planting, and now that should harvest. I do think there's definitely an issue somewhere with this cube. If you're not planting anymore, yeah, you're just not taking power. Oh, why are you doing this? Give me that back. Maybe it's something to do with connecting it to the... Nope. It's something to do with my cube. Let's see. So you're definitely running on MJ, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. If I connect you straight to that, it's still not giving power. Right, something to do with this cube is the issue. It's nothing. It's because it's not the machine. So you have to work out why that suddenly stopped working. But we can see how much we got up here now, I'm sure. So we got nearly 4,000 from 250. So we do have productive power, which is awesome, because it's nearly done a whole stack off one shard. So I'm going to work out how to connect it together and be back once I've figured that out. Okie dokie, I've worked some stuff out quickly. That's set up, and before I do that, I want to try something. Where's my lead? I think my lead's all in here. There it is. And lead. So apparently, I think what the things I was trying to make earlier, right at the start. Oh my god, I hate that lag in No, is that not it? I thought that was it. Ah, I see what I've done. Get rid of all that. So it's that like that, glass in the middle, and lead either side. There we go. So we get this leadstone energy conduit, which can transfer RF. I don't know if that can transfer other things, so let's have a look. No, so basically this comes from thermal expansion, and yeah, they added a new sort of power system to that. It's called RF, which works with quite a few machines, but apparently not. Okay, so it does connect to that. Oh, that's suddenly draining all my power. But I want to check if it would just connect to here. No, okay. Well, test done. We're good. Okay, so that was just a test I wanted to do. You can see this is working out. I figured out the issue. I needed to connect the power output to this black box. But you can see having a little bit of problem. At the moment, it's consuming power quicker than it can make power. We are making more than we're using. That's fine, but we're not producing it fast enough. This means we're going to have to produce some more, what's it called? More engines in order to do it, as well as building the boost catalysts, which I plan to do for next time. I could put this pipe back now, I just realised. Is that the right way? Yeah, that's the right way. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to quickly make up some more universal cable. So let's make quite a bit, like so, and we're just going to run this down to the rest of the machine to have it run, and then we should have a generating power system. So I just wanted to run it along here. So got power in there, power down there. We can get that one back. It's going to run up alongside this here as a sort of dual carriageway energy thing. So we're going to have that come out one further and then just go along with it. So I don't want it to go underneath the entire way. And come out here. Ooh, that's a bit of a nuisance. How am I going to do this? Right, if I grab some more piping, I can do this. All I need to do is go down and along instead of going up, like so. Then I can bring the universal cable in like this, or I can grab that one from the back. Up down here so I can grab it again. Okay, so what are you powering at the moment? You shouldn't be able to power anything. Are you trying to power that? Okay, so apparently it's trying to power my redstone engine, so I might need to make it go around that. What if I have it go just over the top? Let me get rid of this loop here. So now it should only be... Oh, of course, I need to change so the top is now the black section. There we go. It's now fueling those. See if it's working. Yep, that's definitely fueling everything down there. You can see where they're flashing there. It's working. So that's good. That is a mess though. I don't like that. I don't like how that turned out. So I'm going to change the wiring for it later because that is a bit of an eyesore. I probably had the wiring go higher up or something, but we now have a generating power source that will charge up over time, and I can hook this up to other things. So quick stretch. Yeah, that will do. I will work on building a boost with this with an aqueous accumulator. I used to make them all the time, so I'm not going to bother showing you, but that's just the recipe for it. So you got glass, thermal server, because it's from thermal expansion. So, excuse me, I'm going to make one of those to boost this. See if that's enough to maintain the power needed. If not, I'll just have to build more engines and connect them that way. What I also know I can do, but I have no grass, so I can't. So yeah, that will do for today's episode, I think. We got power. I'm going to tidy this up, work on finishing factory. Next episode, I hopefully have this all set together and I can work on doing the storage room. We can have the ingots from here go over there. That's what it is. Before we finish, I just want to quickly test it. So let's make a bit of bone meal. There we go. So we've got a tree. Been harvested. Let's do it again, just with a couple, just so we can do a few more tests. There we go. So we got saplings going down, very good. Obviously, like I said, the ingot's going to go up for now, so I'm going to have to fix that later. But that's working. Obviously, we don't have much energy, so it's doing what it can. Yeah, that's all working a-okay. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions on how to tidy this up, let me know, and I will see you next time for a bit more modded Minecraft. Hopefully I'll find some use for this power. See you then.